Welcome to this exciting journey through the book of Daniel, specifically chapters 7 to 9. Whether you're new to the Bible or looking for a fresh insight, these chapters take you on a visionary path filled with intriguing mysteries and predictions. In chapter 7, Daniel has a dream of four great beasts, each symbolizing a kingdom. This vision emphasizes God's sovereignty over all worldly kingdoms and foreshadows the coming of a divine ruler. His dominion is an everlasting dominion. Daniel 7:14. Imagine it, a power that outlasts time itself. Moving to chapter 8, we delve into a vision of a ram and a goat, symbolizing the Medo-Persian and Greek empires. The goat's notable horn, often identified as Alexander the Great, signifies how fleeting human power can be. Daniel is overwhelmed, showing how these revelations aren't just about politics, they're deeply spiritual and personal too. Then in chapter 9, Daniel explores a different side of his experience: prayer and prophecy. Here he seeks God's mercy for his people, confessing their sins. This chapter highlights the theme of repentance and divine forgiveness. The key verse in this chapter: 77s are decreed for your people and your holy city to finish transgression. Daniel 9:24 sets the stage for understanding God's plan for redemption.
Each chapter weaves together visions and prayers, creating a tapestry of prophetic storytelling and spiritual insights. Daniel's recounting isn't just about foretelling future events. It's an invitation to reflect on life's deeper meaning through faith and perseverance.
These chapters remind us that, while the world is ever-changing, divine wisdom remains constant and trustworthy. Join us as we unravel these extraordinary stories, delving into a tale that's been captivating minds and hearts for centuries.
From beasts and battles to prayers and promises, let Daniel's vision transform your understanding, leaving you eager for more. This exploration promises to keep you enthralled, wishing for another glimpse into this divine narrative as it unfolds.